Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. My name is Shreya Shekhar and I make videos on paintings. So guys, I am back with Polaroid series which I am making on Bukram paper. So today also I'm using Bukram sheet and I'm making this very basic, very simple Polaroid painting for beginners. For that I am using acrylic colors today, and purely these are all acrylic colors. I'm not using any poster color. I'm using a flat or round brush to make the elements and everything. For the background I'm using sky blue color from acrylic color set, and I've picked this acrylic color from this general market, and I got this bottle for 20 rupees. I think it's 5 ml color, and I got this for 20 rupees. The brushes are from local market, and the Bukram paper I already told you all that it is from tailor's shop, and I got 1 meter for 30 rupees, which is like really cheap if you are a beginner and if you want to start painting and everything. If you want to learn, then yeah, this is for 30 rupees per meter, so you can easily find it anywhere at any tailor's shop, and you can use it for practice. So this Polaroid series, and like most of you really love these series, so I'll be continuing this for few days. Maybe we can do 100-day Polaroid painting challenge or something. If you want me to do that, just drop down in the comment section and I will definitely do it by putting the hashtags and everything. Also, if you want me to follow on my Instagram profile, I'll drop down the link in the description box as usual, so you can just go and just have a look on how exactly it came out after finishings and everything. So yeah, the tape I'll like my tape is almost finished, so I have ordered few more from Amazon and they will be back soon. So after that, I'll give you the review and everything. So yeah, that's all. So for today's theme, like I am making clouds. I am really scared because I have not made clouds before, and this is my first time which I am going to make. So I'm excited because this blue color is like really a very happy color. This really looks very cute when I put this on the base, and then when I use white, I actually had to put 2 to 3 layers to make it more visible and everything. And because these are like acrylic colors, I have to give them time to dry up completely, and then I can make the second and the third coat. So yeah, that's how it works. And for clouds, I have learned this technique that when you are making a cloud, just try to highlight the upper part and try to blend the color with the base color from the bottom portion. So that's how the cloud really looks natural and everything. And I have not given any texture for the cloud. Maybe I'll try it some other day, because this time I was really scared while painting this, because I was not in a mood to spoil my painting at all, because this color was really cute and everything. So yeah, I have built up the base color twice. Like I've used the sky blue color twice to cover the paper completely, and then when it was dried, I made clouds. After that, with the help of my mobile's icon, which is the airplane mode icon, I used that. I saw that, and with the help of that only I made the airplane. And then I gave this gray color shadow to the airplane to make it look more natural and to give it some depth and everything. And I made few birds because the sky was looking really empty, and I was not comfortable in experimenting more things, so I just made few birds. and with that I completed the painting. I hope that you all really like my painting and everything. If you do, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please like my video, share it with other friends and everything. Just do the formalities. I will drop down all my social media links in the description box. Just drop down the comment if you want me to make more such videos. Also, I'm working on my portraits and I hope that I'll be back with one better portrait very soon. So if you want me to see my progress and everything, just follow me on Instagram because I'm really active there. And till then, please guys, take care and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.